suspension stuff. So I'll just do a quick overview of this one, but other adjustable coilovers. So they don't make them for the KE20 per se, so I made my own. This is a little bit what I did. So I don't know if the KE20 model, I don't know, they just sit ugly to me. Stock KE20 shock tube, you know, took the caliper mount, all that stuff comes off, the ball joint. Took the hat off, took the threaded gland nut out, pulled all the guts out. I'll take a video of that later. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to grind this off right here, pull this hat off. It'll look like this when it's done. This is the other side. My junk pile. These are the top hats, that's trash. So what I'm going to do is cut this off. This is threaded, so I'm going to cut, shorten, and weld this. Drop this down, and then we're going to be changing it to a KYB cartridge strut. This makes it easier in the end, or in the long term. Changing this out, you just pop that out, pop a new one in. Just show it here. This diameter does not match. Ooh, let me do this one-handed. That diameter. So I'll show you how to machine that out with basic hand tools. We'll get that done. Okay, angle iron, tack welded as a jig, tack weld that. I'm going to weld this up, and then yeah, on to the next thing. Okay, welds are ground down. Okay, cartridge goes in. Got plenty of room for our threads to push down. So what I'm going to do is, this application, the shocks come with a new gland nut, but I have to reuse the old one, so slide it on. This aligns it. Tighten her down, and then we just have to set our height for our coils to go, and enlarge the coil spring opening. Just show you in a second here. This is the worst device known to man. I hate this thing. So get in there. Okay, nice and tight. Done. Step it, hole. It's aluminum, so it's pretty easy to go through. A little bit that side. You take your time. You can't mess it up, so this is what I did on the last one. I did a little bit. Nope, not yet. go to another step. So, hat's done, nice and tight. Now I just need to determine my height, and what I'm going to do is take a piece of old roll cage, cut it, put it as a stop for the aluminum sleeve. So, in theory, you know, this is going to go here. Obviously, this is going to go way up. So, I'm going to weld this, and then I'll show you a finished product, paint it all, put it back on, and we're done. And there you have it. Adjustable coilovers. And I am going to replace these because they're wore out, but they're on back order. So, there she is.